Now, let's explore one of the advanced features available in SARA POS, batch-wise sales. We've designed this feature to make inventory management simple, flexible, and highly accurate. Let's take a practical example. Suppose you purchase 50 kilograms of sugar at 200 rupees per kilogram. Later, you purchase another batch at 390 rupees per kilogram. Finally, you receive a third batch at 540 rupees per kilogram. Now you have the same product in stock, but at 3 different purchase prices and in 3 different inventory batches. So how does SARA POS know which batch to sell from? Let's see how it works. In most cases, the system automatically follows your configured inventory method and selects the appropriate batch during billing. However, there are situations where a customer specifically requests products from a particular batch. For example, a customer may say, "I only want the latest stock." In that case, SARA POS allows you to manually choose the exact batch before completing the sale. Let's demonstrate this. First, search for sugar. You'll see that the total available stock is displayed. Now add the product to the billing cart and enter a quantity of 5 kilograms. By default, the system selects the appropriate inventory batch automatically. But suppose the customer specifically wants 5 kilograms from the latest batch. Simply select the product in the billing cart and press Ctrl+B to open the batch selection window. This screen displays every available inventory batch for the selected product, along with the available stock quantity and purchase information. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the list. You can also use your mouse if you prefer. Select the required batch by pressing the space bar or clicking the checkbox. Then press Enter to confirm. Now enter the required quantity, for example, 10 kilograms, and press Enter again. The billing card is immediately updated using the selected batch. In this example, the sale is now linked to the latest inventory batch. As sales continue, SARA POS automatically reduces the stock quantity from that selected batch. Selling from multiple batches. SARA POS also supports selling a single order from multiple inventory batches. For example, suppose a customer requests 70 kilograms, but the latest batch contains only 50 kilograms. The remaining 20 kilograms must come from another available batch. To do this, open the batch selection window again by pressing Ctrl+B. Select both required batches. After confirming your selection, enter the total required quantity of 70 kilograms. SARA POS automatically distributes the quantity across the selected batches. For example, 50 kilograms will be taken from the first selected batch. The remaining 20 kilograms will be taken from the second batch. Everything is calculated automatically, ensuring accurate inventory tracking for each batch. Automatic batch allocation. Now, let's look at the automatic process. We'll clear the current bill and start again. Search for sugar once more. Suppose our customer wants 220 kilograms. Simply add the product and enter 220 as the quantity. You don't need to manually choose batches. SARA POS automatically allocates stock across the available inventory batches. For example, the system may take 50 kilograms from the first batch, 50 kilograms from the second batch, and the remaining 120 kilograms from the next available batch. All inventory calculations happen automatically in the background, allowing the cashier to complete the sale quickly while maintaining accurate stock records. This intelligent batch management system helps businesses maintain precise inventory control without adding extra work during billing. That's how batch-wise sales works in SARA POS. We hope this feature makes managing your inventory easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching.